got selected by the STSH under the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health and Science, Karnataka, and this research we are carrying in the AM Sheikh Homeopathic Medical College and Research Center in Belgavi. So this is where we are going to grow the plants, specifically the fenugreek plants, using the homeopathic medicine Calcarea Phos 30C potency and Calcarea Phos 200 potency, using the artificial grow lights.
Okay.
So here we can switch on this.
Okay. You have started this now. Now it will come in color.
Yes. This will provide a specific spectrum of light to grow this plant in a particular range. And after this, we are going to measure the different parameters of this using various app analysis and various methods. So before to start this research, these are called as cocoa coir pits.
Show me. What is this called?
Cocoa coir.
Okay.
Okay, so these are coins which are compressed. So these are used for germinating the seeds. Okay, so we have to keep this cocoa coils in water for at least 2 to 3 minutes or around 5 minutes.
Okay.
Then it will absorb or soak all the water like this, and they will swell like this. After that, we have to germinate. Means we have to put the seeds in that.
Seeds. Seeds
And
of fenugreek.
seeds of fenugreek plant, and they will start germinating within 1 to 2 days. They will start germinating. After once they grow 1 to 2 centimeter, we have to transfer them in a hydroponic system.
Correct.
Okay. So here we have made 3 setups. One is a normal solution using. Second one is using Calcarea Phos 30C, and the third one is the Calcarea Phos 200C potency.
So this is
A normal nutrient solutions.
okay. This is
Calcarea Phos 30C
This
and
one?
Calcarea Phos 200C.
okay. And
And sir, these are the nutrient solutions which are used as 2 ml per liter.
show me.
So they have mentioned here in brief names like Flora, Grow and Thrive. They stands for sodium, phosphorus and potassium. They are different, and they are again different contents like potassium oxide, nitrate, nitrogen, silicia, phosphorus, iron, boron, all the minerals and nutrients which are required to grow a plant. So grow a plant. So here in each this setup we have used 2 liter of water. So we have added this each solution 4 ml, 4 ml and 4 ml. All
4
these
ml
three.
each.
4 ml each. 4 ml, 4 ml, 4 ml, 4 ml. All these 4 ml each. Then additionally we have added in this 5 drops of Calcarea Phos 30C potency, and then here 5 drops of 200C potency Calcarea Phos.
So here is the 200 potency homeopathic medicine.
So these are.
You are using this one.
Why are you using Calcarea Phos
Why you are
only?
using Calcarea Phos?
So, sir, some of the researchers, where the agrohomeopathy researchers have they conducted, they have seen that the Calcarea Phos has the main action on the plants also. As like human beings, it will help. It does not act as any nutrient or solution, but it helps to absorb the nutrients more faster
Correct.
to the plants. For example, it Calcarea and phosphoric, means calcium and phosphorus. It will help to absorb this Calcarea, phosphorus and other nutrients more faster way.
Okay. Why you have selected fenugreek seeds?
So, sir, according to the season, when the research we proposal sent, so we decided according to the season which plant will be visually good. मतलब कौन सा प्लांट सही रहेगा कि सीजन में जो ग्रो कर सके. तो सर
And fenugreek means methi, no?
हाँ,
मेथी.
मेथी.
हाँ.
Marathi we call
मेथी.
मेथी.
मेथी seeds.
Perfect.
Correct.
Do you get
तर त्यामुळे सर
sunlight?
त्यामुळे सर रिसर्चच्या टाईमला हे केलं होतं की अगर पाऊस वगैरे असला तर बाहेर करू शकत नाही एक्सपेरिमेंट, आणि काही सनलाईट पण नसेल
So that is why you are
त्यामुळे
using.
ग्रो लाईट्स पण आम्ही ऑर्डर केले.
Okay. So the grow
That is
lights
why
are
it is
working.
like-
हां,
How long it will take to complete your research project now?
अराउंड सर 25 to 30 days.
Who is your guide?
मॅम डॉक्टर संगीता मॅम,
Sangeeta
शी इज
ma'am?
फ्रॉम द
Is he
डिपार्टमेंट.
doing well?
Yes, sir. He's doing very
So
well.
I find everything fine there.
Yes, sir.
If you require any assistance from the head office, you can contact me and proceed. All the best. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Join.
And sir, these are the different instruments.